I just caught my first fish. Only took a couple minutes. A little bluegill, I think. Oh. I'm not sure what kind of fish that is. Not too familiar with them. He didn't get the worm either. Put him back in the water. Well, one so far. This is my third fish of the day. My camera didn't save the last fish I caught. I'm using my backup camera because I dropped my other one in the water. The other one that it didn't save was larger than this one. But this one was caught on the bottom on a night crawler using a circle hook. Caught right in the corner of his mouth. You lay the camera down so I can get the hook out of his mouth. Hopefully this saves this time. Put it back in the water. Alright, this is the fourth fish of the day. This one's a little small one. Set the camera down. There's fish number 5. It's bigger than the last one, but it's still a small one. This is the size of the other fish I caught, where the video didn't save. It's a good sized fish there. Set the camera down and get to right with this guy. You can see how big it is compared to my hand here. Put him back in the water. Well, the fish have slowed down quite a bit, so I'm going to go ahead and call it a day. It's been about 30 minutes or so since I caught a fish, and I haven't gotten any more bites. So. It was quite fun though for the first fishing trip of the year. Hopefully I can go again in a few more days. I think I caught 6 fish or 7 fish, I can't remember. I had one fish that wasn't on camera, so. Thanks for watching.